No, get it. Hey.
What?
What?
What was that? What was that?
What was what?
What did you just do?
Nothing, I just went to the bathroom. It smells really bad.
Why'd you say no, 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 go?
I was
Who's in
talking
here?
to the scent. No one's in here, Matt.
Who was in there? Why did you
No
say
one's
that?
in here.
Then why won't you let me come in?
Because it smells bad and I'm insecure about my smell.
Why is the fan not on?
Because I don't like the sound. I'm tired. I want to go to bed.
It's 9:22. You said no, get back. Like, what? Your fart's gotta get back and farther in the bathroom? Like, nope, go away.
Yeah, actually, that's exactly what happened. Just trust me.
Okay.
No, Scott, back.
Get up. No more of your games.
Go on Omega with me as my brother says hey and I lip sync to it.
Hey.
What the fuck?
Hey. Hey.
Oh my goodness. Hey.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey. Hey.
What?
Oh, what's up?
Hey.
I got such good news.
Holy shit!
Hey. Hey.
Wait, do that again.
Hey.
I love it. I love it so much.
Hey.